Have you ever thought about creating your own YouTube channel? Imagine sharing your passions, insights, or even your day-to-day life with the world. Well, you're not alone. Every minute, hundreds of hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube, making it a vibrant, diverse, and ever-growing platform. Well, creating a YouTube channel might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. It's a journey that can be broken down into manageable steps. Let's embark on this adventure together. First things first, you need to have a clear vision of what your channel will be about. Consider your interests, talents, and the unique perspective you can offer to the world. This is the core of your channel, the heart of what you'll be sharing. Once your vision is clear, it's time to create your Google account. This is the gateway to your YouTube channel. Remember, your username should be catchy, easy to remember, and reflective of your channel's content. Next, customize your channel. Think of it as your digital storefront. It should be appealing and inviting. Upload your channel art, which includes your profile picture and banner. They should be visually attractive and represent what your channel stands for. Now, the fun part begins. Creating your first video. This is where your creativity shines. Plan your content, prepare your script, film your video, and then edit it to perfection. Remember, first impressions count, so make your first video engaging and exciting. After your video is ready for the world to see, it's time to upload it to your channel. A catchy title, accurate tags, and a detailed description can significantly boost your video's visibility. But wait, there's more. Engaging with your audience is just as important as creating content. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and strive to build a community around your channel. Remember, YouTube is not just a platform for sharing videos, it's a social network. Lastly, don't forget to promote your channel. Share your videos on other social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and use SEO techniques to improve your visibility. To summarize, creating a YouTube channel involves several steps: defining your vision, creating and customizing your channel, producing your first video, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that first step today, and who knows, you might be the next YouTube sensation. After all, every successful YouTuber started somewhere, just like you're about to do. So, go forth, create, share, and inspire. Your YouTube journey starts now. It starts